lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. So if you want to see the products we have in January 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, we're unboxing a subscription box. But before I start, lovelies, I'm really sorry if I'm not uploading at the moment, but as you know, it's Christmas and New Year festive season, so I really wanted to spend this time with my family. So yes, but once I got the spoiler of subscription boxes, we'll do as soon as I have the info. Today we're unboxing my first subscription box for January 2021, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly premium beauty subscription box, more on skincare. And this one, it costs £35 a month, including the shipping fee. And this one, they target more women, more than 35, but as I said in my previous videos that I am only 33. The products that I received from this subscription box says I used them before, so and I really enjoy this subscription box. This is my second box from them, and for more info, as always, lovelies, we'll put in the description box. And if you are interested with this subscription, if you want some discount code, just use my name Jayca, Jayca, for £5 off in your first box. And also, lovelies, I did already this the lineup products of this subscription box, so if you wanna check that one, I will pop in here. And the thing that I like from this subscription box, lovelies, that they released a spoiler on 19th of the month, 18th or 19th of the month, with the products that you will receive in the next month, and you decide if you want to continue with the subscription boxes or cancel it. But they usually take money on 20th of the month. That's why I really like this. And lovely, so as I said in my lineup too, that I will skip this one, but they kindly send me this box, so thank you so much. So yes, when we open this box, lovelies, we have few leaflet in here, which we have the leaflet of with the list of all the products inside. And here it says, Toyl, your January 2021 box. Welcome to this month box. It's January. I hope you had an amazing break and are ready to go all out with our high performance skincare box. Packed with incredible brands, with this box is worth an unbelievable £199. Enjoy. So yes, and then we have Toyl Explore Our Podcast. So yes, we have some info about Toyl here. Let's see the products inside. So the first product we have in here, lovelies, and this is from the brand SKINSENSE. So this brand here we had in Latest in Beauty before, and I have few of the products here that I got in Latest in Beauties, and I really enjoy this brand. So this is the SkinCare Glycolic Peel and Reveal pads. There's a 30 pads in here, and here it says exfoliating treatment, a unique solution to boost the skin radiance. Glycolic acid prepares the skin for your daily routine and helps to the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving a smoother, younger looking skin. So here we go, and then here we go. It says also that this glycolic cleansing peel and reveal pads are perfect for a deep exfoliation of the skin. They will help resurface the skin and reduce the appearance of pigmentation and other skin imperfection for visibly refined and younger looking skin. Dermatologically tested. So yes. So inside, let's open it. Yeah. So we have normal here. And when you open it, it has the seal, but you can see it said that there's some parts in here. I usually use Lovely's, the Nip and Fab one, which is I like. I really enjoy using them. I usually apply this one, Lovely's. I usually use this one before serum every morning. I just, after cleansing my face, I grab one of these pads and just wipe all over my face, and then continue with my serum. I will try this one because I didn't try this product before. As I said, I tried the Nip and Fab, which is I really enjoy using it. So yes, I will try this one, and then I will do my review on my Instagram account, my empties. So stay tuned for that. The products that I receive or in subscription boxes or I both, I usually try them for a month before reviewing them, because after using it a few times my skin really reacts good, but sometimes after a few more tried, like after more use, sometimes I can see the proper result. So yeah, I always try the products more deep, at least a month, and then will do my review always. So yes, so this is the first product, and the next product we have from SKINSENSE. This is the and this one I'm really excited to try, the anti-aging double strength retinol night serum, Lovelies. So yes, this one, Lovelies, it's a full size. So this one is retail for 34 pounds, and here it says perfect for a deep exfoliation of the skin. This pad with 1.5% glycolic solution help to loosen the bonds between the old skin cells, gently removing them to reveal smoother, brighter skin. And this one, Lovelies, it has 30 ml and it's retail for 46 pounds. So this is a full-size product. And this one, Lovelies, it says this lightweight serum combines an active encapsulated 0.6% retinol concentration with additional ingredients proven to support and improve the skin texture and hydration level. Yes, Lovelies, I'm using at the moment retinol, and I really like the result on my face. Yes, let's open it. So this one is a lightweight gel texture serum with highly active retinol and hyaluronic acid. It's really good with moisturizing to smooth the appearance and of fine lines and wrinkles, create an even complexion, and help restore a youthful clarity to the skin. So I'm gonna use this one as an alternate, because if it's a lightweight texture, we will see. Because if it's a lightweight one, as you know, I have really dry skin and I really need a deep hydration at the moment, because I have it's winter, so my skin feels really need some hydration. So yeah, this is the inside packaging. It's really cute, and it has the pump. Can't wait to try the packaging. It feels luxury, Lovelies, feels luxury. And then the next product we have here, and this is from Codex, and this is their day cream 50 ml, and this is a full size. And this one, Lovelies, it's rated for 50 pounds. Just wow. It says Be a Day Cream lightweight formula is clinically proven to improve skin hydration. I really need that one. It contains calendula. It's really good to soothe, moisturize, and protects the skin. It says in here. And sodium hyaluronate, which boosts skin ability to absorb moisture and result in smoother, softer skin. Wow, can't wait to try this one. I tried the Codex face scrub before that I got in subscription boxes. I don't remember which one, but yes, can't wait to try it. It doesn't have any SPF, which I don't really mind, because I usually every morning I usually use a day cream, but also another moisturizer with SPF. I never go out without SPF. So yes, oops, I really like that they put expiration too. But yeah, this is the product, 50 ml full size, And I can't wait to try this one too. As I said, I tried Codex before, the face scrub, and yes, it's really a nice product, but this one 50 pounds. I'm pretty sure I will never purchase a product for 50 pounds. It's too expensive for me. And then we have this one from Bali Balm Lemon and Black Pepper. The packaging, it's so fancy, lovely face luxury. So inside, lovelies, as you can see, it's a box. There's a lip balm. Yeah, it's really nice. Just the packaging face luxury. You know that these products are really expensive. So yes, this is the product. It has 15 ml, and here it says immediate aromas of organic lemon and subtly threaded with the distinct smoldering sensation of black pepper, comforting warm citrus vigor with an effervescent zing. And this one, it's rated for 25 pounds. And here it says Bali Balm is 100% natural, plant-based, doesn't use any bee wax, and it's packed with luxurious, great smelling vegan ingredients. Each Bali Balm is deeply moisturizing with coconut oil, and most importantly with vegan candelilla wax. So yes, I'm really sorry, lovelies, if you hear my kids at the background, but they are off school, so yes. And the last product we have in here, lovelies, it's from Ham Beauty Start from Within Collagen. Love supports skin elasticity and firmness, grass fed and pasture raised. It has 90 capsule inside. It's a supplement, and this one is rated for 44 pounds. Before taking painful anti-wrinkle measure, keep fine lines under control. One key contributor to aging is reduced collagen production, leading to wrinkling, sagging, and discoloration. Collagen Life contains a unique skin support and protection blend with type 1 and 3 collagen, essential for healthy youth, young-looking skin. Pure and potent nutrition, non-GMO, gluten-free, sustainable source, no artificial color or preservatives. Take 3 capsules daily with food. Ooh. I'll be honest with you, lovelies, I never take supplement before, because even paracetamol or everything, lovelies, I take them, but if it's really an emergency, I hate taking tablets. I don't really like them, but try it because it's a collagen one. It will help my skin more. So yes, I don't know, we will see, lovelies, if I wanna try this one. In here it says support and protection blend, words that I really can't pronounce, hyaluronic acid, red wine extract, from grapefruit extract, grapeseed extract. So yes, we will see if I'm gonna try this one or no. So that's all, lovelies. As you can see, there's no more in here. So let's do a recap, lovelies. We have the supplement. This is the 90 capsule supplement, so this is a full size. We have the moisturizing lip balm one that I really can't wait to try. And then we have the Codex Day Cream. This one, lovelies, it has, I forgot to tell you that this one has lemon citrus smell. So yes. And then we have the skin glycolic peel and reveal pads, which is I can't wait to try. And this one I really can't wait to try, the retinol one, the night serum, the anti-aging one. So yes, so we have 5 products in here, and overall, as I said in my line of products, lovelies, that this box is really good value for your money. It's really bargain. The total value of this box is almost 200 pounds, and it's only 35 pounds including the shipping fee. It's really good bargain. If you're looking for a skincare, premium skincare beauty subscription box, I highly recommend this box. So if you want to subscribe this one and receive this item, we'll put the link in the description box. And also if you want to receive £5 off on your first box, just use my name JAYCA for your £5 off in your first box. So that's all, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you thinking to purchase it? You try already some of these products? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the videos. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.